Gold is about to make a huge move on the next week, as I've already mentioned you. Will it skyrocket to a new high or crash below key supports level? Okay, so in this video I'll explain you where the price of resistance, supports, key level and trading strategies as you need to know. Okay. So now if you look at this particular chart, what we have seen, the gold now trading at a level of $2984.1980. Okay, so if you can see this video, that there is a clear indication there. We have seen there is 3 candles are forming. Okay, and chances can be high that, see, remember this one thing, that whenever it is making a new high, we have seen a good fall comes. Okay, so similarly, if you look at this particular trend, it has already made a new high, so probability can be high that from there that we can see a profit booking can come. So we can see it can hit its strong supports or it can bounce back, but if it doesn't bounce back, we can see a further upside if it keeps us standing above a level of $29.89, and then further upside we can see here. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. Okay, so let's get started. So what you can expect next week, see, whether you are a long-term investor or short-term trader, this analysis for you. So if you look at this particular trend, there is a higher chances that, suppose if the price keep moving above level of 29.89, chances can be high that the price can go further upside. Okay, as you know, the dollar index is already being down. I'll explain you in the video, but if you look at this particular trend, that the gold is continuously making new high, and as you know that there are a lot of factors which are depends where the gold price will move. The US dollars, inflation data and geopolitical tension are also playing an important role. Okay, now the price is trading at a level of $2984.190. It has already crossed a level of 3000, and chances can be high that if the Fed rate decision or the economic data horizon, so you have to understand, looking at this particular chart, see, so you have to understand that the price of gold now trading already at a high level, so probability can be high. We can see a strong support coming at a level of 2960, so chances will be very high that it can bounce back from that particular level. But if they didn't bounce back from this particular level, we can see there can be a further fall. Okay, looking at this particular chart, gold is fine. We can see that if it started falling below this particular support, so we can see the next support is coming at a level of $29.79, and from there we can see a level of 2960. so we can see a bounce back, but if that didn't sustain a further fall, we can see, as I've already explained you, that the gold price really mostly depends on the US dollars, inflation data and geopolitical tensions. Okay, so probability can be high. So before I explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, chances are high, as I've already explained, that whenever it makes a new high, we have seen a good fall coming. Okay, so we can see there can be a chances that it can come down, okay, or it can bounce back from these particular supports. Okay, but if the price sustain this level, we can see it can move towards its next high, or it can make a new high. So probability is there at the new levels. We have seen profit booking comes, so we can see there can be, if you are a short-term trader, so you have to understand, you keep trading your SL by $5 or $7, so you can capture big movement towards an upside. Okay, if you look at the dollar index, you can see that the dollar index now trading at a level of $103.734. There is a continuous downfall we have seen in the dollar index. Okay, but a swing has formed at a level of around 103.2. so chances can be high that if the price keep moving above this level, probability is high it can move above level 104, and this is already being tested, so chances are high the price will go towards 104.5, and once started going over this level, we can see level of 105.4. suppose if the price sustaining above that level, probability of going towards 106 will be there, and from there a level of 106.6, and from there a level of 107, and if that sustain, a further upside. But if the price started falling below this level, a probability of going towards 103.3 will be there, and from there a further downfall we can see towards 103.1. If the price started falling below that particular level, a further downfall we can see towards a level of $101.9, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 101, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see. So as I've already explained you, that, see, once the price started falling below 101, chances are high it will move below a level of 100, and from there it can touch a level of around $99.8. You have to understand that once the price started falling below this level, we can see a level of 101.9 is a strong support, but if that didn't sustain, we will see it will fall towards 100.4 to a level of below $100. Okay, so when the dollar index started going upside, we will see the price of gold will come down, even silver comes down, crude comes down. Okay, but if the dollar index started going down, we will see the price of gold will go up, silver goes up, crude and natural gas, all these prices goes up. Okay, but it is not 100%, but you have to understand sometimes they both moves in same direction. Okay, so in that case, whenever you start to trade, put your SL, and this is the rule you have to follow, that whenever you start to trade, put your SL, so capital will be saved, and once you in profit, try to trail the SL, so profit will be saved. These two things you have to understand and do. Coming back again on the gold price, what we can see if you look at the gold price, there is a higher chances. These are the resistance support I will be explaining you here. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can touch a level of the next level, that is $29.88. Okay, this is the resistance one. If the price started going off this level, we can see a level of $35. Okay, $3,005. Okay, this is the high we have seen, so profit booking can come at this level. Okay, but if the price started going above this level, we can see it can touch a level of 30.20 to a level of 30.50 also. Keep trailing your SL by $5 or $7. Okay, chances can be high it can go further upside, because we can see the trend showing an upside trend. Okay, so if you keep trailing your SL by $5 or $7 as per the volatility, you can capture a big movement towards an upside, so chances are high it can move to. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see a level of $29.76. If the price started falling below that particular level, chances are high that it can touch a level of $29.56. Okay, if the price started falling below that particular level, chances of touching a level of $29.49 is there, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards a level of $29.43. Suppose if the price started falling below $29.43, chances are high the price will see after $29.43 to a level of $29.31. This level we can see a bounce back can come from this particular level. Okay, and once started going below that particular level, chances are high it can touch a level of $29.19, and once started falling below this level, we can see a level of $29.06. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards a level of $29.00, and below this level we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. Okay, so hope you like the video, and you have to understand that whenever there is inflation data is coming, CPI or PPI reports, you have to understand always, because there will be a volatility, so you have to decide your quantity, risk and targets as per that. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, if you find this analysis helpful, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more weekly or daily updates. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Okay, so if you are trading gold next week or a day, let me know if your plan in the comments. I would love to hear from you.